I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Wow, a full week into Vlogmas. That's pretty crazy. It is just about 9 a.m. and I am just trying to decide what I want to do because I'm really craving a Starbucks. Just a nice warm chai. It's a little chilly this morning. Yeah, it's only 55 degrees right now. It will get warm today, but in the mornings it's been so chilly here in LA, which has been so fun. So I don't know, I sort of really want one. You know, like all this year I've been really good. I really have not been getting Starbucks, but Vlogmas, like, I don't know, something happened and I was just like, wow, I need it. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go do that or if I'm gonna be good and just get free coffee from downstairs. It is a Monday, that'd be a nice little pick-me-up. Well, I'm very conflicted. Oh man, I'm tired. All right, you know, F it, right? Let's just go for it. Let's just go get a Starbucks. Let's be bad. What is that, what's that from? Oh yeah, John Mulaney in one of his specials when he's talking about fries. He's like, let's be bad, let's get a plate of fries for the table. That's how I feel. Let's be bad and let's go get a Starbucks for me. Well, it is a little chilly out this morning, as I said, but look at those skies. Clear winter blue skies. I just love the LA skies in winter. They're so beautiful. Always just clear, not a cloud in the sky, bright blue. So good. Up the tallest escalator in the world. Like what? Okay, got my chai. It was a bit of a wait actually. They were really busy in there. So it was fine. I totally understood obviously. But it has been acquired and I actually noticed, because I could see where all of their cups were stacked, that there are other designs other than these like striped ones. But I only ever get the striped ones and the other ones looked a lot cuter. Not that it really matters, but I mean, it'd be nice to switch it up every once in a while to something a little bit nicer. I mean, I do like this, but the other ones were very cute. All right, stairs going up. That's what I tell myself. If you're gonna go get Starbucks, you have to take the stairs. Not because I'm having the Starbucks, but just as a trade-off for myself. You know guys, as Connor and I have discussed more of what we want when we're moving, my list has grown and grown. So the more I think about it, the more I just like want it to be a really awesome place that we can stay for a little while, hopefully. That list includes like a north-facing apartment for some better light. I'd like a kitchen island so I can film cooking videos. I'd like a pretty big closet because I am tired of my closet. Lots of storage for all my shit. And a fridge with a water filter built into it so I don't have to do this shit anymore. It does work very well though. I like it a lot better than like a pitcher because it holds way more water. So anyway, that's nice, but still. Well, you guys, it's a very nice morning here because I got Vlogmas up last night, so there's no editing to be done. I've actually been pretty good about getting Vlogmas done the night before so far, which is just so nice. So what I want to just hop right into is the Target decor haul because I have been dying to open these packages and I haven't even peeked at them because I just wanted to open them on camera for you guys. So let's just get into it because I'm dying to see what's in there. We only have a few boxes here, you guys. It's nothing crazy. Just kidding, what the heck? I did order quite a bit of stuff, but they sent it in a lot of packages, which makes it look like a lot more than it is. I haven't even had a sip of my chai yet. Oh, this lighting is sort of weird. Where's this one coming from? From this window. There we go, that's better. Let's have a sip of our chai. I haven't even had a sip yet. It's perfect. Molly Cat, that is good. Let's just start diving into this pile here. So in case you missed it in previous vlogs, every Vlogmas I go and do holiday shopping at Target. It's like one of the main episodes I do. Please don't do that. Anyway, but this year with the pandemic and us being on lockdown, I didn't want to go and just browse around a million different Targets, which is usually what I do. So I decided to order online. I think I still will go to Target at some point because I want to buy candles and I didn't want to buy any online because I can't smell a candle online. So I wanted to do it in person, but at least then I'm just going in with one objective, in and out. So anyway, here we go. Yay! Oh, these are bigger than I thought they would be. We'll see how they look on my tree. Mostly what I ordered is a ton of new ornaments because I want to redo my whole tree. I've been working with the same stuff for a couple years now, so I want something new. First up, we have these really cute snowflake ornaments. They are bigger than I thought they would be, as I said, but I got 4 of them. There you go. They're like a soft felty material. So cute. These will look so pretty. So next up, I have this cute little Pom Pom Garland. Whoa, you can't see it at all, really. There you go. Just a fuzzy little Pom Pom Garland situation. Let's pop into some of these boxes now. I ordered this stuff so long ago. It took so long for all the boxes to get here that I don't really remember even what I ordered. All right. Next up, I got this cute little white house. It has like a little glittery snowy roof on it. Again, I don't really know if you can tell on camera, but super cute. I'm either going to incorporate this around my TV or maybe on my coffee table or maybe on the windowsill. All of these boxes for like small things. Okay, next up we have another house, but it's in a different style. It's like wood with these little white panels on it. This I was thinking for my TV stand because it's pretty tall. It has the white and the wood, which sort of works with what I have going on over there. So I think that'll be cute just to incorporate in. Along my TV stand, I have all of those trees. So I thought it'd be cute, like a little house nuzzled in the snowy woods or something. Oh, what is this? They sent me 2 of these? I definitely did not order 2 of these houses. Okay, I have 2 of these now. Sort of sucks that they're the exact same one. I would not have done that because symmetry is like a little not my thing, but whatever. They are really cute. I was saying that I wanted more, so there you go. Check out these ornaments. How beautiful is this? It's so shiny and glowy. I love it. Let's see, I think I got, wow, I got 4 of these. Good, Jill, way to go. They are so pretty. I'm pretty sure this is just the straight gold color. I was debating between this and rose gold, but I really am glad that I went with the gold. That's so pretty. And then just some other little filler ornaments that I got. I got these little crystals, which I thought like the light would reflect really nicely off of. They're just really simple. I thought I just got one of these, but hi, 4 of them again. Apparently I ordered 4 of everything. But we have some more stars here. I don't love, oh, see, these came in packs of 2. That must be why I ordered 4 of them. Anyway, I don't love these as much, but we'll see how they look on the tree, and otherwise I'll return them. They're a little bit more rustic than I thought that they would look, but you know, they might fit in. I don't know, we'll see. And then I also got these cute little glittery white pine cone ornaments, which I think will look really cute. There's all of that. Oh my God, I forgot about these. I ordered a lot of big ornaments, so like what was I thinking? All right, next up on the ornament train, I got these. They're sort of like quirky, cute, but I think that will look really cute on the tree. They're these little swans, and let's see, do they all look the same? No, I think they're all a little different. This one's the same, and then there's this sort of like peacock one. Yeah, I think those will look fun. They'll just add like a little something different. Oh, you know what I haven't seen yet? I ordered a really cute giraffe ornament, and I'm not spotting that yet, but we'll see. Okay, also got this pack of these really cute, also sort of like quirky, glittery reindeer. What's that, Molly Cat? Ah, no, that's a knife. You cannot play with that. But they have this little like furry collar on them. Sort of cute. There's 4 of them that come in this pack. And then this should be the last thing, although I'm gonna double check for that giraffe. Oh wait, is this it down here? Found it. Ha, look at this. If you guys don't know, giraffes are my favorite animal in the whole world. My mom got really obsessed with giraffes and when I was a little kid, and so wanting to be like my mom, I became obsessed with giraffes and then like truly became obsessed with them, even on my own. So I saw this and I was like, you know what, since we're doing like a little bit of a quirkier, different kind of tree this year, I really wanted to get this. I tried to find something to represent Connor. Not that a giraffe really represents me, although they are very gentle and kind. Anyway, I wanted to find like a wolf or something because that's Connor's favorite sort of wild animal, but they didn't have any. So sorry, Connor. Maybe next year. But yay, I'm so excited about that little glittery giraffe. He's so cute. Anyway, okay, this is the last thing I got. We're gonna have to see how this works because I'm really not sure. So I got this big wood panel here, which one I just think is cute. Like I could use it for a lot of stuff, but I thought I could put this on my coffee table with some stuff like styled on here. I was thinking like maybe one of these houses. Maybe we could do one of those reindeer, my candy bowl, stuff like that. I don't know, we're gonna have to play around with it. It is a little bigger than I wanted it to be honest. I can always order another one from somewhere else if this one is a little too big. Okay, and there you go. That is my giant Target haul. I am so excited about all of these new goodies. I can't wait to put them up on my tree. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow because, you know, it's Vlogmas. You gotta split up those activities to make sure there's something fun for every vlog. But I am so anxious to put these up. Oh man, you guys, I am having such a day. I've barely made any progress on my to-do list here. I did that and I did that. Okay. Actually, we're in better shape than I thought. But it's almost 1 p.m. and I'm hungry, so I think we should go and get something to eat. And by go and get something to eat, I mean make something to eat here at home, obviously. So I'm thinking for lunch today, we should try that not vegan chicken that I ordered. I don't know if you guys remember that from a while ago. I don't know, it was sometime last week that I got this chicken that I thought was cauliflower vegan chicken. I was very intrigued by it, and then it wasn't. It was just chicken coated with cauliflower, so come on, Jill. All right, we're going to try this. I'm going to make it in my toaster oven. I just have it on and set to 450. That way I can just let this heat up a little bit. It's already getting hot. Let's take a look. Ooh, these look really yummy, you guys. I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, well, here's lunch. We have a cucumber salad here. I just threw in the pico, the onion. I put a little bit of green goddess dressing from Trader Joe's in there, as well as a little splash of this garlic dressing from, I think it's called Cleveland Kitchen, and then some everything but the bagel seasoning, just to spice it up a little bit. We have our chicken, just came out. I haven't tried a bite yet, and then some ranch to dip the chicken into. Yeah, it's not the most exciting meal, but I am excited to try this, so whatever. All right, let's try one of these. I mean, it tastes really good. There's a pretty good spice to it too. This cucumber salad is mediocre, to be honest, but whatever. I'm going to eat lunch and then check in with you guys in a little bit, maybe. All right, guys, we're still making our way through the to-do list for today, but great news, I got my COVID results back and it was negative, which, you know, I pretty much assumed it would be because I haven't had any symptoms or anything like that, but you know, just wanted to make sure that I was all clear because I have, you know, seen people recently, and you know, as we go into lockdown, I just wanted to make sure that everything was good to go. Anyway, there you go. No COVID here. That's great. I am still working, but wine seemed like the move while I finish this up. Mac and cheese time. So excited. I'm always conflicted with whether I should just like put as much as I want in or be able to come back for seconds. Spice this up, some garlic, chili, chipotle black pepper. Yum. Look at that, you guys. That's looking so good. I can't wait to eat this. All right, end of the night, and we are ending the vlog. Thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all